My job sucked and I was broke. Then I heard the nearby college offered a course, Making Money Trading Stock Options Made Easy. I didn't even know what an option was, but enrolled in the course for $60. The instructor, who has 20 years experience trading options, walked us step by step through the basics, and then onto option strategies and placing profitable paper trades. I couldn't believe how easy it was. Now, that very same curriculum is offered online, and the course price is the same $60. Also, the instructor has put together a free lesson sample of a real trade to introduce beginners, all-stars, and everyone in between to this easy, self-paced course. Here's a mini sample lesson of a long straddle spread option. You can request your free sample full-sized option lesson of a real trade just by clicking.